This is the smallest GTA 4 version ever, with the size of just 600 MB, and the crazy part? You're getting high graphics and surprisingly smooth performance, because this build is highly optimized. Plus, there's also another GTA 4 Lite version that actually includes all the missions. In this video, I'm going to explain everything. Both versions, performance, gameplay, and which one you should choose. So, if that sounds interesting, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. This zip file is around 600 MB, and after extracting it, the total size becomes roughly 800 MB. For this version of the game, you'll need less than 2 GB of storage, which is actually pretty impressive. So let's quickly set this up inside the GameHub Emulator. Go to PC Emulator and tap on Import PC Games. Then head over to your internal storage, wherever you've saved GTA 4. Open that folder, select GTA4.exe, and confirm it. That's it, your game will be added. Now tap on the 3 dots. First, you need to set the resolution according to your device. Then go to Compatibility, tap on Translation Params, and set it to Extreme. After that, scroll down and tap on GPU driver, then select System driver. This works on both new Snapdragon and Dimensity devices. If you have Turnip drivers available, you can select Turnip as well. Next, go to the DXVK version section. Here, select DXVK 1.10.3 async. Then scroll all the way down to VRAM limit and adjust it accordingly. After applying these settings, as you can see, we're getting a constant 60 FPS. No noticeable stuttering issues. And overall, the gameplay feels really smooth. I even tested multiple explosions and heavy action scenes. Yes, there were slight frame drops, but nothing major, and no serious stuttering at all. Even during intense action sequences, there weren't any major lag issues. So this version is actually very well optimized. However, there's one important thing. This version only includes a small portion of the map. You're not getting the complete GTA 4 experience here. You can consider this more like a demo version. It's mainly for testing whether GTA 4 is playable on your phone or not. You won't get the full open world. And the map is limited, so don't expect the complete game in this 800 MB version. Now let's talk about the next version, which is around 3.8 GB, and after extraction, it becomes roughly 4.5 GB. When I tried running GTA 4 with this version, the game actually starts from the first mission. So yes, here you get proper missions, and the game is still very well optimized. I didn't face any major lag issues. However, this version does not include any graphics mods, so the visuals are decent, not heavily enhanced. But the big advantage here is you get the entire open world map. No map shrink, no limitations. You can freely explore the full GTA 4 map, complete missions, and all cutscenes are intact. Although I did notice that in some cutscenes, a bit of audio was missing. But overall, this is the complete GTA 4 experience, with all missions included. And if you want, you can manually install graphics mods yourself to enhance the visuals even further. Now it's up to you. If you want to test first, try the smaller 800 MB version. That way you'll know whether your phone is capable of running GTA 4 or not. If it runs properly, then you can go ahead and try the full version as well. And even the full version is still much smaller compared to the original PC GTA 4 size. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more powerful tutorials like this. Until next time, peace out.
Just like the old days, eh?
In the old days, we were dodging bombs, not loan sharks.
Just drive. Leave the funny comments to me.